Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome everyone in the YouTube test trading room. How are you doing today? Ready for Christmas, I hope. But before we are getting the Christmas fever, we still have some days to trade, and seems like the market is quite strange nowadays. Instead of the Santa Claus rally, we just got a Santa Claus drop so far. But let's see whether this pullback, what we've seen in the pre-market thanks to the CPI data, might is going to save this year's Santa Claus rally or not. At the moment, I must tell you, doesn't look like it will. Please let me know if you can hear me right. Okay. And if the sound is okay. And I hope that you are ready for today's trading indeed. So let's see what has happened in the pre-market, why we see this very much beaten down market, which just broke the 50 EMA actually yesterday. What's going to come next? Indeed, this is what I am interested in first of all. Actually, I would say that in this case, what I see at the moment is definitely not looking good, even despite of the facts that everything is pulling back. So as you know, the hi, Mr. Brackett. Good morning to you. I hope the sound is okay. I don't know why I cannot see the viewers. Something is not okay with my YouTube, but I really hope you can hear me okay here. All right. Okay, here we are. I am back. So back to the market, guys. I am still expecting any outcome. However, so far, what we have seen this huge rotation out from the big AI names and tech stocks, that's just amazing. If you are checking Oracle, if you are checking AVGO, NVDA, and I still could go farther and farther, especially AVGO, which was like a enormous drop from 420 to 320 in like 2-3 days. That was unbelievable actually, and seems like it's still continuous. Thank you, Mr. Brackage. Thanks for the feedback. So traders, for today, seems like that maybe we can stop this carnage which is going on for days on the market. We have seen the biggest red day for a while yesterday when the SPY, as you can see, is just closed under the 50 EMA. So really, really big drop, not just on the triple Q, which is definitely leading the way down because of the rotation of the AI stocks and the big tech stocks, because even triple Q was not stopping at all by the 50 EMA. As you just see on my daily chart, it has happened last time around the middle of November, 20th of November, as you can see. And by this time, when it just broke under with a big red candle under the 50 EMA, it took 3 days to recover. Well, let's see whether there will be any chance for a recovery, or we are going to continue towards to the 200 EMA. Indeed, this is what I am interested of. However, again, as I've told you today, the market definitely trying its best to save the situation, because as I see, both of the indices are nice to the green side, 1.44% already up on the triple Q, but still not even over the 610 area level, and the SPY is nicely up as well, thanks to the MU earnings, because MU is up at the moment 15%, guys. Unbelievable. Back to 257, actually really close to the all-time high. Hi, Nitsan. Nice to see you. And we got the CPI numbers today. Today is the 18th of December. This is a Thursday trading day, and one more day to go from this trading week with tomorrow. And let me just check the numbers. So CPI, surprisingly, it got much lower than expected. That's a very good sign for the inflation and for the Fed towards rate cuts as well, by the way. Unemployment claims it was lower than expected, so that's a good one as well for the market. But the Philly Fed manufacturing index, it was just a really bad numbers indeed. But I must tell you, the market was focusing mainly on the CPI first and unemployment claims second. Hi Zuki, nice to see you. Thank you for the list. Yes, DJT is in the news. MU mind-blowing earnings. As you can see, it's on my chart. It's just up 15%. BMNR and Irene on your chart or on your watch list. I'm going to watch them. Thank you very much, Zuki. And of course, if you have anything else on the radar, please just let us know in the chat. All right, traders. So for today, actually regarding the economic front, that was it. No more economic news going to be released. TIC long-term purchases at 4 p.m. when the market is closing, but it's not going to impact too much. And tomorrow, on the last trading day of the week, is going to be a FOMC member speech, as I see existing home sales, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations at 10 o'clock. So we are over the most important news indeed. So everything just released. Okay, traders. So let's see what else is coming into the news. I'm just checking how the other stock exchanges did. Actually, not that bad. European green, Asian green, especially the Hang Seng almost 1% higher. The Bitcoin is trying its best again to push to this 90K level. So if we just check the Bitcoin now, it's really, really trying its Santa Claus rally to trigger somehow, because so far it's still just in a consolidation. Now it seems like maybe a double bottom, but we can be sure in a double bottom only if it's going to break the 95K level. We are still quite far from this level indeed. First, definitely the 90K is going to be the first which it needs to break to see a little bit more green future ahead. So far, what else I'm watching? We can watch still the energy stocks because of the oil, as I've told you yesterday, but the main news is definitely about the inflation. Like in the market watch, it is just talking about US inflation slowed to 2.7% rate in November, while latest job report showed fewer jobless claims. So this is what I was talking about, that this is a huge plus to start the day with. Question whether the rotation has ended already from the big tech stocks and carnage just going to be stopped, or there is still some more room left there, and we will see a gap up and a sell-off again. Yes, Nitsan, coin has good news. Thank you very much, Nitsan. Even the Bitcoin is going up. So I think the coin we can watch definitely on our long list. You know what, guys? I'm just going to start the list because I'm going to forget these very much great candidates for today. So let's see. To the long side, I'm going to watch here, as you just mentioned, coin and every Bitcoin related stocks, because as we could see, the Bitcoin is moving really nicely to the upside. MU as well. I don't know yet what is the news on DJT. But let's see BMNR and Irene from Zuki's list. BMNR looks like as another one, of course, Bitcoin related. Very good. And Irene, which was quite of a big sell-off too. Indeed, this is just bouncing as well. Actually, it has not touched, unfortunately, yet this 200 EMA. I still would like to, I mean, like, I would like to see a much clearer reversal, because if it's touching the 200 EMA, it can be such a strong trigger for deep buys, for the shorts covering, But let's see whether this can be the time for the BMNR, or especially not BMNR, but the Irene, to make a reversal here. I'm just going to call it to the secondary list, okay? Because I feel like we will have so many calls to the long list for today. So secondary, I'm just going to put it on there, the Irene. All right, traders, what else? Why Trump media is getting into the nuclear business with 6 billion TEE deal. So this is the news of DJT. As you know, this is a very hectic crazy stock. I love the double bottom sign formation on the daily. I like it to the long side, but again, this can be such a crazy stock, guys. So hectic. So let's just be careful. Even if it's at $13 stock now, so not that crazy as it was, but there is a chance that might is going to move back to this 30 and not $13 level indeed. Hi Amir, nice to see you. Good morning to you. Okay, guys, so what else? Micron, I was mentioning that it was a kind of a good earnings there. Trump announced $1,776 warrior dividend for US troops as economic worries persist. Oracle stock falls on a fear one and it says it's almost irrelevant. Well, it was a very big rotation out of these big names, guys, especially AVGO, Oracle, and I'm wondering when it's going to stop. Like if you're just checking Oracle, Oracle actually halved, it's almost halved its price in a very short time frame. Same with AVGO, it did not halve, but it just dropped $100 in no time. And both of them, I must tell you, especially the AVGO, I still see a space, a room to go lower until the 300. But today the bulls are trying its best again. Let's see whether it's going to be enough. As I've told you, I'm still not sure. Let's see what is going on the international markets. As I've told you, European markets were quite good. Asian markets ended in green as well. Indeed, not too much. Oh my God, Hungarian Prime Minister on the first page with Putin. It's never good. Putin ally tells CNBC using frozen Russian assets is a dead end. This is the Hungarian Prime Minister, I guess. European markets make gains, nothing to do with the US market. I'm just telling you, I was just astonished. What is he doing on the main page again? European markets make gains amid central bank bonanza. Just for the ones, I am from Hungary originally, that's why I was just surprised. Stock futures jump after lighter than expected CPI and strong micron earnings. This is what matters now for the US markets for today, traders. And again, and not just the CPI, but the unemployment claims was a pleasant surprise for the market. And actually, I think the Fed will like this as well towards to the very much expected more rate cuts, which hopefully they are coming in the next year. Hi Tara, nice to see you. Good morning. Nice to see you here. And let's just check Netflix again because seems like that today everything is bullish. I think Netflix has a lot to come back as well. Let's see how it is doing for today. Not bad, 0.43% higher. We need to see it a bit higher. I would say 95, 96. I would say this can be a quite of a stronger resistance there, but let's see how it's going to move. Eli Lilly News as well says that obesity pill helps maintain weight loss after patients switch from Wegovy and Zepbound. LLY, it's an extremely big mover, guys. It's just insane. So let's see whether it can push higher. It's not going to be on my main list actually, but we can watch it because you know that these obesity drugs are quite of a big story nowadays. Okay, what else in here? Actually, here we are with the big movers. Micron, I mentioned you, it's a really nice mover. It's just get a rosy revenue forecast indeed and better numbers than expected. So everything is looking rosy and shiny for Micron. Question whether this is going to be enough for stopping the rotation out from AVG, Oracle, and the rest. As I just checking my watch list, AVG is up almost 3%, so that's quite a good start. All of the big names are in green. Tesla, amazing, 2% higher as well. Meta as well. Apple is slightly green. And on the red side, I just see PepsiCo, XOM, WMT, and J&J actually. Yes, Nitsa, no short on your list. Yeah, I don't have it yet either. Airbnb, let's see Airbnb. How does it look like to the short side? IMNM, by the way, traders, I don't know whether, I really hope you played IMNM right because finally it just worked out very nicely. So thanks, a big thanks for the call for Jeremy because he was the one who called this. I still left some on the table on IMNM. I'm going to close it, I think, after the market opens because it's just having a very nice move to the upside. Also it's just pulled back a little bit, but not too much. So IMNM might, it's still going to be on my list, but you know what, Nitsa, I don't know. It's just really hard to decide on shorts for today because everything seems to be very bullish now. At least it can change, at any minute. I see what you mean on Airbnb. I really like this shooting star of yesterday, almost like a doji. We can watch it on the secondary list. I still cannot call it, to the short list because it's a small green in the pre-market, but looks like a good one for a short, like a good short candidate, especially if the market is going to turn around again and anything can happen, as I've told you, because Santa is still away. Trump Media, as I mentioned you, with this TAE Technologies merger, is just moving like crazy. DJT can be on our long list. Lululemon coming next, which just popped 6% actually. Lulu, and this is looking like a beautiful continuation. One big problem, I have 200 EMA on the daily. This can be a quite of a hard resistance there, but Lulu still looks great for continuation. So I'm going to call it to the long side. Elliott Management had taken a stake worth more than $1 billion in the company. This is the reason for this beautiful move to the upside. ACN, it was an earning stock. Accenture, 1% higher only, not my strongest long candidate overall. However, even the volume is 200K, but I don't like how hectic it is in the pre-market. I'm just going to move it to, actually maybe to the short list, because it was up 1% and might this can be a sell the news event. However, the news, as I see, it was good, but as I've told you, this sometimes is just pointing to towards a sell the news event. Maybe this is going to happen on ACN because it's down 3% now. So this is going to be my first short candidate for today, but I'm going to be careful because the news is good. I'm just seeing a quite of a nice sell-off after the news. Birkenstock is here as well. Coinbase needs, and as you told, 2% after announcing it will launch a slew of new products, including prediction markets trading through a partnership with Kashi. Beautifully done. Bitcoin is higher as well, so coin definitely deserves a great place on our long list. It can be a close to a double bottom. Reversal on the daily chart looks very interesting. CarMax is here, and CarMax KMX can be our second short on our short list because this got an earnings and it was not good at all. However, this is not a big mover, but we don't have too many short candidates, so I'm just going to pick it to the short side. Birkenstock, as I mentioned you, this is still on the list, but usually I do not trade this stock too much. I don't know even if we can BIRK. Here we are. Not bad. Volume 122. Okay, let's just give a chance again. Not too many short candidates for today. So let's see BIRK. This stock is down, by the way, because the earnings guidance was disappointing for 2026. This is a footwear maker, and as you can see, it's just pushing down a lot in the pre-market. All right, traders, I think we have the most important stocks on our radar for today. No big economic news going to be released. As I've told you, we had already enough CPI, unemployment claims, and so on. But one more big news to share with you, and this is today it's starting the big Christmas sale on the TEFS. So if you are interested in any you know, challenges, funded account packages with private mentoring with me, and even more, this is going to be starting today. Please just check our website. I'm just going to post it now and pin the message so you can just see it on the top of the chat. Why this is Xmas sale? It's a little bit different this time as it was from the last times. It is actually traders. Not just a usual 20% discount on everything, but if you are buying any challenge or any funded account, even a small challenge, you can get a 26% of a coupon which you can use next January. So you can start your January 2026 with a minus 26% coupon, which you can use it the whole January. So if you are interested, please just go to the website and you can just check there the fantastic things. And even a third one. So yeah, we were so much good, I think, at this Christmas, guys, because we are going to make, actually I am going to host a big 2026 raffle. This is going to be a TEFS raffle traders, which is going to take place on the 5th of January, 5th of January 2026. And this is going to be a huge raffle. You can win a lot of things, of course, packages, challenges, and so on. And you can get a lot of raffle tickets, like, for example, inviting a friend. If you're inviting a friend and registering with your referral link from your client area, then you will get 4 tickets. If this friend or you buying challenges or packages from today on, it's live, you will get as many tickets as much you just spent by the test. If you're buying, I don't know, a student package, then you are going to get 2,200 something, because now it's a discounted price for the package, as you know. So it's a really, really good one. So I'm going to be the host. I've never done this before, so it's going to be funny. It's going to be on the 5th of January. So collect the tickets, guys. Collect the tickets, because more tickets you have, the biggest chance you have to win anything. Okay, guys, so here we are. Just check out, please, the website and go for anything what you like. And of course, if you have any questions, guys, please just drop me an email, not just regarding the raffle or the challenges, packages, anything, but even regarding trading. Can we see AMC or short possibly? Oh yeah, definitely, Mr. Brackage. If we can see it, it's now here and we can trade it. You want short it? To short it? Okay. Why do you want to short it? AMC or AMRC? Okay. It's my bad. Sorry. I just changed, but I still cannot trade it. You know what? I tried again with my risk management contact team. Hopefully I can get it over. Okay, just a second. If you still have anything which is not open for test traders, guys, let me know, because this is my privilege that I am, contact with the risk management team, and let's see whether we can trade it. AMRC, right? AMRC. Okay, did you find about TL or Y? TL or Y checking, how does it look like? The cannabis stocks are very much hyped up. Now maybe it's a little dumping period. We can watch TL or Y definitely on the secondary list, Luis. Good one. And Hood or GT Izuki? Hood, I wanted to check it because of the Bitcoin actually, and Hood is just poised for a nice reversal, just the rest of the Bitcoin stocks. And RGTI, I have not seen it, but I've seen OKLO, which is down. RGTI, beautiful. But this is the same. It has not touched the 200 EMA yet. I want to see 200 EMA touches, because these are much more mature for a reversal. But you know what? Yeah, you're right. We should watch this as well. But you know what, guys? I thought what I've seen, it's OKLO in the pre-market, which was not doing very well at all. Since then, it's just making a reversal. Now you see, OKLO, I like it. OKLO touched the 200 EMA, even closed under the 200 EMA, and now it's bouncing like crazy. I prefer OKLO over RGTI, because OKLO has touched the 200 EMA. So OKLO, I'm just going to move it to my long list. So it's tradable, but you cannot place orders on TL or Y. Okay. If you cannot place orders, that means that you cannot see the bid and the ask either, Luis, because it needs to restart your program completely and it's going to solve it. But let me just check TL or Y whether I can trade it. I can trade it. For me, it's tradable. Okay, please just restart. If it's still blank and you cannot place an order, please make me a screenshot and send it to me. Okay, and I'm going to get it to the team because maybe then I don't know, because I can't trade TLRY, so I can buy it quite immediately. Okay, traders, quickly I'm just going to put the here my watch list. Here we are. So seems like that might there will be an insanely green day indeed, but I'm still going to be careful. As I've told you, this recent days it was really chaotic, very ugly start of the days, most of the times, very nervous market and noxious price movements. So I really hope this time is going to be better, but I have a big concern that both of the indices are up already a lot. I don't like when things are happening before the market opens, and things has happened already. So I really hope what I want to see, it's a direction. So what I think might can happen, it's a small pullback and then we continue higher, or the sell-off is just starting again and rotation continues. So these two scenarios which I try to find out in the beginning of the day, let's see who is going to win. Yes, Louise, I get only 10 message that appear when trying to place order is very quick. I will try to, yeah, please try it. Thank you. Yes, Nitsan, DJT definitely is one of my favorite long candidate. I put it already on my list. I'm going to watch definitely MU, of course. What else from the list? Tesla, yep, Tesla, which is actually, as you know, it was on all-time high. Yesterday, of course, it just made a huge pullback together with the market, but is just trying it again to go higher. But MU, DJT, Coin, BMNR are my ultimate favorites, which I'm going to watch for today. And as I mentioned, UOKLO looks really good as well. To the short side, we have only two stocks, ACN and KMX. Let's see how they are going to move there. And BMNR as well, very good. So I have Hood, Oklo, BMNR, Coin, DJT, MU, Tesla here, NVIDIA, of course. What else? AVGO, Oracle, which might finally going to make some pullback here. And you still mentioned here this Irene, Airbnb, TLRY. I think Lulu, I'm going to leave it alone. This is the stock which is on the 200 EMA on the daily, so let's just be careful with that one. And the market is still pushing higher, as I see. We still have like less than 30 seconds to go, so good luck, everyone. Again, I'm not going to be in a hurry. We have time, plenty of time, so let's just try to find the best stocks here for the trade. And the one more I am interested, one more stock which I was watching, it's Microsoft, because Microsoft is very much on the edge, guys. It's up now 0.46%, but as you can see on the daily, it's just thinking a lot around this 200 EMA, whether breaking it lower or make a pullback. So I'm going to watch this as well. Hood over 122 and 50, checking, Nitsan, thank you. Ooh, that's close. And I guess you just chosen it because of the pre-market high. Actually, pre-market high was already 122.80s as I see. But yeah, that looks really good for a continuation. I agree with you, but I burned myself with the hood one day, so I'm going to be careful. Actually, it's already over it. All right, traders, so market is very strong. Again, my problem that all of the moves has happened already in the pre-market. So I would like to see a small pullback on these strong stocks and on the market as well. And then to see a nice gap and go formation, hopefully. MU is insanely strong. Overall market starting very strong too. As I just told you, Apple is not the best though. But what I am very much interested about the new stocks, it's whether Oracle, AVGO, and NVIDIA can make a pullback or they are still going to, turn over and start a sell of AVGO. It's already moving down. That's amazing, actually. Microsoft, nice start. All right, traders, some nice gap up on the market. Question whether it's not a huge gap up or too much gap up to be able for a continuation for the market. 678 on the SPY. 610 already broken by the triple Q. That's good. DJT, I like the fact that it's pulling back a bit. Hood is, if you took it, good luck. Hood is already making $1. Very nice. Yazuki, UNH as well. Oh, that's strong. UNH, United Health. Wow, that's weak. That's weak. We can watch it for a short, maybe instead of ACM because it's not doing too much. I like UNH for the short if it's making, the usual gap and go formation. Traders, DJT is here. DJT is the first, which I would say it can be a very nice gap and go, and I'm going to take it over 1320, half share size only because it is a very, very early trade, okay? And the stop loss is under the low of the day, which is still quite unknown, but that looks like as a good one if it can move over this 13 and 20 areas. The 1322 is going to be my first entry. MU, it's still, I think MU definitely wants to go for 260. Risk reward ratio is not my favorite, so let's just wait for that. UNH, Mr. Brackage, that looks really good under the lows. I have one little problem in UNH, and this is the spread. It can be like even $1, so let's just be careful. But in my opinion, if UNH is starting to move lower, then this 328 area can be a great short on the UNH. So I'm going to watch it. MSFT, Microsoft, it's a bull flag. NVDA, AVGO, it's moving lower, but Oracle is trying its best not to fail at this time. So let's see Oracle to the long side. Inside day, I don't particularly like it yet. I'm still waiting. Okay, so I'm waiting for DJT, and I think UNH looks like a quite of a nice one, under 328 for a short. But again, it's going to be a half share size, very early trade here on the UNH. And stop loss over the entry, so be careful. Ooh, it's already entered. 70 is going to be my entry because I was a little bit too late here. If it goes to 70, I'm going to be in. Actually, I'm in. I want to see at least a $1.50 to see a partial there on the UNH. DJT still looks good. Coin a bit hectic, but doesn't look bad either. Oracle, I just missed it. Too many candidates. Market, as I was expecting, guys. All right, so UNH, it's in traders. 327.80 was my average price here with a half share size. And let's see whether we can move down to this 326 area. Would be a great partial there. Oh, triple Q is moving lower. All right, DJT still looks good. Rest of the big stocks are fighting. Tesla moving lower now. Not good. Oh, come on, UNH. Half share size only on the UNH, guys, because this can be a crazy stock. Oracle trying. I'm wondering whether AVGO can make this reversal here. NVIDIA is moving lower again. MU still strong. And Oklo, look at Oklo, guys. OKLO, which is making a gap and go here. But this needs to break over 80, 60 on the OKLO, and then in this case can be a very nice reversal there. Hood 124, yeah, over the high. I'm not going to take it, Jeremy, because as I've told you, I burned myself with the hood really badly. Maybe I'm rather at this time going with OKLO. I'm still in UNH, but UNH really needs to drop. With UNH, we need to be careful because it can just reach our first partial quite quickly, traders. So around 326, I don't know, 50, 60. Let's see how it's behaving. So in my opinion, in that level can be a quite of a good entry there, or a partial, sorry. I'm just making my entry on this Oklo. All right, traders, so this was what I was expecting, a small pullback on the market, which should be just a pullback, not a sell-off again. So let's see what's going to happen next. I have only UNH for the short side. I'm waiting for Oklo reversal, DJT reversal. Hood is giving up. Hood I'm not going to take because, as I've told you, I just burned myself with it. BMNR so much going down now. MU is still holding, but NVIDIA is not doing well. NVIDIA is back again. Volume, though, it's increasing. If I see it right, let me just check it. I'm just interested in the volume, you know, in the red candles to see whether it's a serious sell-off or just the usual small pullback. Oh, UNH, come on. It looks so perfect for the short side, but doesn't seem like it wants to go down. NVIDIA looking better. I still like Oklo, I still like DJT, but DJT is just making too much consolidation here. AVGO, poor AVGO is just cannot get on its feet. Unbelievable. Look at AVGO, guys. It's trying so hard to make this reversal there. Oklo, I still like. DJT, I still like. Jeremy, your hood is not bad either, but everything is starting to be so hectic again. It's just usual nowadays in the start. Wondering whether AVGO can make a reversal over 333. That can be maybe an interesting reversal level there. Now triple Q is moving lower, guys. Look at that. Shoo. In this case, you know, good old TQQQ, which I'm going to watch if we are starting to push lower again. So far, only one trade, which is hovering around the entry. That's it. Not a biggie at all. LRCX is very strong nowadays. MU still, no, MU is giving up too. Phew, this gap up, maybe it was short-lived, guys. And in this case, I really hope UNH short is going to work out. And I'm moving to the weak stocks, XOM and Apple. Guys, Apple is in trouble. Apple is in trouble. Apple just touched the 50 EMA and the 268 level. If it's not going to stop, this can be quite of a nasty red day again for the market. Let's see, DJT is pushing higher, has not entered yet, and UNH has just entered, so I am in DJT, but UNH is hovering around the entry. I would like to see a drop now because actually the market is dropping, NVIDIA is dropping, Tesla is dropping. Oklo still holding, DJT looks good. On the DJT, our stop loss is 1268, under 1268, so we should see a 30 cents for the first partial. Oracle looks strong, by the way, but the overall market, look at Apple, did not stop. The Apple did not stop by the 50 EMA on the daily. That's ugly. Oklo, I'm not going to take it. Cancel Oklo, traders, please. It's just giving up now. Just canceling from my working orders. So DJT and UNH, these two positions I have. UNH is not doing anything, unfortunately. DJT is in green, but we still need to see at least like a 20 cents, 25 cents. TLRY, checking. Storm, nice to see you. Oh my goodness, that was a blowout. Shoo. I'm going to watch it for a possible pullback, TL or Y, and join the party, but I cannot join the party now. All right, green candle on the market. Now let's see whether we can do anything. I don't like this UNH anymore, traders. I do not like it. Actually, you know what? It's going to be a very, very small loser. I'm going to be out over 328.60. If it's breaking this consolidation, I don't think so. It's going to go up. It still looks very good on the daily. Apple, wow, that was a really big move to a downside, and it's still moving. And market too. As I've told you guys, this can happen easily on this market that we are starting with strong gap up and sell-off continues because of the rotation. NVIDIA just broke the lows. And unfortunately, here goes UNH. I think I'm just leaving it alone. It's out. So one small loser. DJT though, it's a beautiful winner. DJT, I'm making my partial here. As I mentioned you, I want at least 30 cents. It's on 30, almost 40 cents. So it's a beautiful partial actually. I just took my first partial on the DJT stop loss under the entry and let it run. I gave up on UNH unfortunately with a very small loss indeed, because actually my original stop loss, it was over 330 and I get out on 60 cents. So that's good. All right, what else in here? Market still doesn't look very strong, but Tesla is stronger, but the big tech names are looking weak. Again, really weak. Lulu checking. Jeremy, Lulu checking. Looks good. 2 to 250 over the Viva for a reversal. However, still we have this nasty little 200 EMA there, but maybe. And MU is very strong. Look at MU. MU is strong, Microsoft is strong, at least they're not going down with the NVDA and the rest. Oracle trying, but I think Apple just ruined the bull party. 130 down on the Apple, wow. Now maybe 50 EMA it's going to serve as a bottom for the Apple, let's see. DJT looks fantastic, stop loss on the entry, UNH is out. What else to check? XOM, Roblox is down, WMT is down. Traders, I think it's TQQQ time for me. If it's going to break 51, I'm going to take a quick trade on TQQQ. Oops, it's not writing. TQQQ under 51, stop loss. It should be over 51, 30, 40, rather 40. So let's see TQQQ. So one winner, one loser so far. DJT next partial going to be 1420, around 1420. Spy on the lows, triple Q. UNH, I hate you. I hate you. I'm not even going to watch it. Looks like a second chance trade, which I missed. Okay, if you are still holding UNH, well done. I'm out and it's just making the move. Oh my God, it's so much more annoying, just like a plain loser, you know? It can be so annoying. AVGO, it's filling back the gap. Amazing. Oracle giving up, but NVDA a little bit stronger. All right, traders, let's just focus on DJT. I'm ready to take my second partial here. Half of my share size going to be out. Oklo, it's making a pullback. Coin is not looking good. Hood again, checking instead of, which one is going to be? Maybe TLRY. I see what you mean, Jeremy. This looks like it's a nice reversal too. We just need the market. Desperately, we need the market. Excuse me. Tesla too. Tesla perfect, Buzak. Good evening. Nice to see you here. I have already a winner and a loser. All right, traders. So far, market bulls are trying their best. I like this small pullback, but it can turn quickly for a nasty sell-off. That's why I'm going to short TQQQ under 51. Hood is not convincing me at the moment yet. Coin is dropping, but our DJT is just working like a Swiss clock. So I am ready to take my second partial here on the DJT and moving my stop loss under 1370. I just took my partial now and I'm going to move my stop loss again over or under 1360 is going to be my stop loss here. Market doesn't look good. And I'm going to short the market, actually TQQQ, not the market under 51. I love this Tesla call though. We just need the market. Coin is dropping like a stone, guys. Look at that. What's with Bitcoin? Let me just check it. That's what I really like in the TEFS platform, that you can trade everything on one platform. Ah, Bitcoin. This is pulling back too. And let's see whether it's going to find the bottom here. PLTR. PLTR doesn't look bad either, but the daily doesn't look good. Not the best. SOC. It's not on my list. Sable offshore. Wow, yeah, you're right. That was beautiful. Ah, Jeremy, we cannot win them all. I wish we could, but we cannot win them all. All right, traders. So we have a DJT, very nice. Market is trying to make a reversal. I love Buzek's Tesla call over 480. I'm still checking here OKLO. It still can be a quite of a nice play. I'm watching coin for a reversal. I'm watching NVDA for breaking the VWAP. You're watching it just missed. Yeah, but yeah, you were right. It was a good one. It was not on my list. Well, I was not watching the small stocks, under $10. Usually I'm always going through the gainers, losers list under the $10 stocks, and I could have find it in this case. Now, Apple is trying to make a reversal too, but VWAP again is here. I still feel like, guys, that the market is still weak. Look at AVGO, look at Oracle ready to give up. Not good, not good. Slightly green thanks to DJT second push, but I'm not convinced that the market is going to go up today. And if we are going to go down, I'm ready to short TQQQ. Microsoft, though, it's moving higher. Let's see Meta, Amazon. Meta is not bad either. SoundHound was stronger. Amazon, not bad. Amazon. Maybe I'm going to watch it instead of Hood. BMNR and the other Bitcoin stocks are sinking again since the open. Here comes my possible short on TQQQ traders. Watch out. My DJT is still looking good. Apple again down. Oclo breaking the lows. How about CRWV? That was a big loser as well because of the news yesterday and the day before, and now as well. Not good. All right, traders, big fight is going on. My TQQQ going to be entered under 51, like 50.98, something like that. It's my entry. SPY broke the lows, but the bulls are trying to buy the dip here. TLRY checking. TLRY. Tillery. Yeah, nice touch on the VWAP. Let's see whether it can pull back. I'm going to watch it. It's okay. Not bad. But first, we really need the market for a decision. NVDA is the other one which I'm watching now. The volume is quite nice in the green candles, so I think if it's breaking 173.40s, and I'm going to get not even 50, rather 173.50, it can be a great long, but I don't like it's an inside day. Shoot, everything is an inside day because yesterday was a crazy big red day for these stocks. KMX is strong. Okay. DJT is still looking fantastic. 1450 I want to see next, actually 15 rather. I'm not going to take any more partials. I'm just going to move my stop loss slightly under 14 now on the DJT. 89 is going to be my entry or a stop loss there. And the SPY triple Q are still struggling like crazy, guys. Really, must tell you, Roblox looks so nice for a short, but we have such a low volume. Don't like the volume there. Not good. Come on, market, fight. CRM red. Netflix. Netflix. 50-50. Baba. Baba is weak today as well. AVGO amazing. Just almost fill the gap. Still no gap fill. Disney stronger. Okay, traders, at the moment, I cannot see anything. I'm just waiting for the market to decide whether we are going to see another red day, green day to go to red day, or we have a chance for a nice day, a nice green one. No one knows yet. So that's why in this case, better to sit on the sidelines and be ready for any scenarios. Look at even Google. Google looks like a great long over 310 and a great short under the low of the day. Just like the market. Market looks great long over 677, 40, 50s if it's able to break the VWAP and the short under the lows. That's why I'm ready with my TQQQ. Buzak, I still like your Tesla call though. Amazon is coming stronger. 2 to 6 can be an interesting level there. Microsoft really strong. AMD looks good as well, Jeremy. AMD looks very good too. AMD and VDA, or both of them are just forming the same reversal formation. Amazon as well. So we just need the market support. But if we cannot get it, it can be a really quick loser. So let's be careful because of that. Amazon coming. NVIDIA is here too. I'm, how about AVG Oracle? Trying. All right, that's a good sign. SPY triple Q broke the VWAP, and this is going to be the decision time. Apple, though, looks like as a VWAP reversal at the moment. Or not, yeah, VWAP reversal, as I see. If the bulls are not strong enough, we can see a quite of a fast rollover here on the VWAP. NVIDIA, though, starting to be strong. Oh, I missed Tesla. I get in Tesla when it's coming back, guys. I was just talking, and I forgot to put my entry on Tesla. Shoo, I can't believe it. And now I don't want it to come back for me. It's up $1. Buza, good luck with the Tesla. That was a nice call. It was a nice call indeed. Now let's see other reversals here. I think we will have some. MU, not the best. LRCX still going. Market looking stronger. Beautiful call on Tesla. If you are in, I would take a partial around the high of the day, and then let's see whether we can go higher there. UPST is strong today too. Amazon nice. Wood trying. NBIS checking. NBIS. Yes, that looks like as a nice reversal too. Again, daily is a big problem for me, and the volume is quite lower. This is my only problem there, but the setup itself, it's very nice. It's really nice. Okay, traders, so market seems like it's really fighting higher. Even TQQQ, I still have my short order there, but if it's breaking 51.60, I'm going to delete it, maybe flip the coin there. Tesla. Tesla was a nice one, even just for the scalp. PLTR, I'm still thinking, but not nice. The dailies are so ugly today, guys. This is my only problem. NVDA, yep. Amazon and Microsoft first to watch as well. NVDA over 174 can be a great entry, especially if the market continues higher. Zuki, 174 on the NVDA looks quite good. Even the AVGO is trying to form a bottom here. Poor stock, oh my goodness. How about Google? Google looks better as well. Ah, the bulls are still not the real deal here, guys. Look at that. I mean, it's much better try as in the recent 4 or 5 days. It's not quite there. Still not quite there. Or DJT is still okay. Oh, Tesla is in. Okay, so I'm in Tesla. It just get back for me. Meta, it's quite strong too. But there is a lot of resistance levels on the way, which I don't like. NVIDIA, I'm going to watch for sure on this 174 area. Both of the indices are just forming a bull flag, so good sign for the longs. But again, I still miss the volume. I still miss the strength, the momentum from the good old big bullish moves. This is what we still cannot see on the market. 678 coming as a resistance on the SPY. Nice. Microsoft was beautiful. AVGO just cannot get out of this misery. My God. Okay. DJT looking even better. If you are more stretched on the share size, DJT around 1450 can be another partial. And I'm going to watch next this NVDA, whether it can push over the $174 level. That can be a nice continuation pattern. Stop loss should be like a 70 cents around. Amazon unstoppable, Microsoft unstoppable. Tesla looks still good. Tesla high of the day, it's around 482, 2030. SPY is breaking through this small consolidation. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. I'm ready to take my first partial on the Tesla traders. I do not want to be greedy today because again, I still do not feel this strong sentiment on the bull from the bull side. So anyway, I did not want to get in when it comes back. I just forgot to delete my entry. Oh no, now it's coming back. That's not good. Bulls, where are you? You are hiding. SPY, nice try to push back towards to the high of the day. You just check the daily chart on the SPY. Inside day, of course. I see what's the matter here, guys. It's not just the $678 level, which, in my opinion, it's quite of a resistance, rather the 680 though. But we have the 20 AMA, especially this level, I think, which can be a problem soon. All right, DJT is still going. That's good. That's good. NVIDIA is not in yet. And traders, AMRC is open. Mr. Brackage, AMRC is open, what you were asking for. It was open like 15 minutes ago. I just forgot to check. So if you want to trade it, you can trade AMRC. Okay. All right, traders. And in the meantime, Tesla arrived for the first partialing point. I'm going to take 75% off now. First partial on the Tesla done. Stop loss just slightly under the entry and let it run. Market is running too. NVDA not in yet. DJT is making a beautiful move towards to this 1450. As I've told you, I am not going to take any more partials, I'm just going to move my stop loss actually under this 1420. MU moving lower, DJT nice. You are welcome. All right, I'm wondering whether the SPY can break the daily high. If we do break the daily high, that can be quite of a nice sign for the bulls, but still the volume is nowhere. So far, nice green day, even despite UNH trick. And I'm waiting whether or maybe the NVDA can break the 174 or not. I'm not in yet. Oracle AVGO still doesn't look good, guys. Oof, very ugly. Bitcoin trying to make this reversal here, and I'm still watching coin. Traders, coin, I'm watching especially about this 250 level, but the coin can be such a really nasty little stock. I mean it, like it's, you know exactly how crazy it can move. So if I'm just going to take the coin, it's going to be a lower share size, that's for sure. I burned myself with this stock several times, so let's see. But I love it. I like this reversal. I like the Bitcoin trying. Still not out of the woods, the bulls there, but looking quite interesting. So I'm going to take coin over 250, 10. Half share size though, okay? Share size. And the stop loss should be under 348.60. Which one, Jeremy? BMNR? Mm-hmm. All right, I just put my 12 is going to be my entry and checking BMNR. Just a sec. NVDA not in yet. Tesla is still quite of okay, but maybe it's going to get out soon. Yes, you are right. Over 31, right? Mm-hmm. Yes, this can be a good one too. Let's see. Oh, DJT is going to be out soon, traders. My stop loss is 1430. 13, sorry, 1413. I think I'm going to be out here soon. Yeah, I just out DJT. Market is still making quite of a nice consolidation. Looks like as a possible continuation pattern. I'm still holding my second share size on Tesla, and I'm still interested in NVDA and in the coin, but the coin just pulled back from the VWAP. Not the nicest. All right, let's see the rest of the stocks here. TLRY, oh yeah, I just put it down. Don't know why. TLRY. It's looking better. 1505, Jeremy. Perfect call there on the technicals. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Look at that, how it's going. I'm not sure I want to take it at this time, though. Risk reward, not my favorite, only because of that. Ooh, SPY triple Q fighting hard on the highs, traders. Doesn't look that good. So only Tesla last shares in. I'm out of DJT. Coin is still fighting just like rest of the market. And Apple is still really weak. Apple. Guys, that's amazing. There is no mercy for AVGO. Look at that. It's no mercy for AVGO bulls. Oh my goodness. Hmm. Tesla still looks good. Oracle is giving up too. Not just AVG, Oracle. Look at Oracle, guys. She's just giving up now. Ugly. But the market, the overall market at this time, it's doing great. NVIDIA is not anymore. So if it's breaking down the VWAP, I'm going to cancel my entry there. Coin is still okay. Oklo breaking down too. I would not say it's an easy market. You know, V-shaped days are never uneasy market. Like now, literally, we're just making a doji on the daily uncertainty. We can feel that, I think, on the market, and I'm afraid that mine is just going to give up soon. Watch out on Tesla coming back too. My my stop loss is 479.90, 479.90. Let's see whether it's out. It's out. It was quick. And the real big test, it's coming for the market now on the 678 as I see. Reddit is very strong again. I forgot to check Reddit again, traders. I was watching it yesterday as well, the day before, and I forgot. However, the volume is very low, unfortunately. But look at this perfect intraday breakout over 233.30 at 9:45. That was nice. And I missed it. Never mind. Google 300. Mm, hmm. Let's see Google. Google looks good as well if we do continue higher with the market over 301.30. Still watching DJT slowly back to the VWAP. Might we can get a VWAP reversal there. I'm going to watch it for a second chance trade. Microsoft non-stopper. How about Amazon? Traders, I'm not sure I want to take any more this NVDA. Let's see, it's still on the VWAP, so I'm still going to wait here. Not my favorite anymore. I'm just checking the news quickly, but I don't think so there are any news at all. Not really. Bank of England interest rate. Market watch, nothing. Um, oh, I've entered coin traders. I did enter. I just heard the noise. No, I forgot my call, but I did enter coin 250 0 or 250 15, and let's see. 252, just before 252 would be nice to take a partial. However, again, this is a half share size only because the coin can be so crazy. Bitcoin so far, it's still making a very nice comeback, a recovery here. We need to push it higher. Market is pulling back though. And I'm canceling the NVDA, guys. Canceling NVDA. Not going to enter NVDA now. Just closing it on my working orders as well. So only one position, which is coin, very much half share size. And the market is giving up again. It's just giving up again. Not good. Jeremy TLRY is still doing great, looking good. I'm still watching DJT for a possible VWAP reversal here over 14. And now I'm looking for shorts because if the market is going to completely give up, that can be ugly. Maybe Oracle can be one of our target. AVGO, it's a non-stopper. It just cannot stop. It's amazing. If you have anything on the radar, please just share it with us. Not an easy day to trade again today, traders. So every great setup comes handy. 325, I'm watching on AVGO actually. Oh, coin. This is going to be a loser. Sure. This doesn't look good. TLRY back. SPY triple Q on the VWAP, so still the bulls can show their strengths. But based on the last days, I'm not sure we will see that. Irene needs some checking. BMNR is dropping as well. Irene looks quite good. Bit too late for me to enter here. Let's see, maybe for a continuation pattern we can. And the market is dropping. Traders, I think I'm going to watch again TQQQ here for an entry. Yes, Buzak, exactly. This is what I'm watching, but no good risk-reward ratio. I'm still holding coin though. The market is looking again quite ugly. No news though, like really. CPI, it's the same news. Same news, but the rotation is still, looks like it's still going on here from the big stocks. Come on, coin, make the reversal here, please. Micron is just going lower now. NVDA dropping, not good. How about Apple? Yeah, Apple too. Oh, Roblox. I did not trust because of the low volume, but it's still going lower now. Ah, coin, I can't believe you. Traders, I am ready to take out coin. It's just a half share size, but still not the best feeling. As I've told you, 247.60. It's my max pain there. Market doesn't look good at all. Everything is dropping again. TQQQ or another TQQ, triple Q. It's almost back to the lows. 600, 6 and 90s are the lows. Airbnb checking. Oops. There is no volume on Airbnb Nitsan today. Very low volume. Doesn't look bad. I just really miss the volume from here. This is the only problem in my opinion there. Phew, guys, this market looks like as just before a free fall again. Doesn't look good. DJT 14, yep, 140502. Mm-hmm. It can be a VWAP reversal on the DJTs, okay. I agree with you. Stop loss, it's under 1350, it's like a 15-cent stop loss. Not bad. Okay, coin I'm still holding. Market is pushing lower. I keep an eye on TQQQ definitely. But if we could have entered maybe under the VWAP now, I cannot find any good entry point, fortunately. MU looks like as a quite of a big pullback too. And as I've told you, AVGO broke 325. Tesla is back to the VWAP as well. So maybe we can watch Tesla as well for a possible reversal over 480. Come on, coin, do not give up, please. TQQQ touched almost 51. Now it's trying to reverse as always. Okay, nice coin, go, go, go. Now let's see whether are we going to see a reversal here. Now we can have a short call again on our TQQQ, and I would say the same, under 51. There is no market breadth, which normally means the market whipsaws. Yeah. Coin looks better now, traders. Coin is looking a little bit better now. Poor market trying to make a reversal here. Oh, AVG and Oracle as well. No, that's more interesting now. Come on, market. We need a decision. Hmm. SPY is really trying to make the reversal here, sort of. Apple? Yep. It does, actually. I just do not trust in this market. Oh, come on, coin. Do your job. Traders, I still want to short this TQQQ under 50.98. 50.98, and I'm still holding the coin. Market is really, really hanging on a thread. Market is hanging on a thread, I must tell you. Amazon is making a VWAP reversal as I see. Triple Q doesn't look good. Oh, coin, come on. Hmm. Not a nice market again. So traders, if you're breaking 51.98, I'm going to short TQQQ coin, last chance here, but if it's breaking 247.60, I'm going to be out. MU is coming down, AVG Oracle trying to make a reversal here. So still anything can happen. Market is really, really slow. DJT just ruined the VWAP reversal there. Formation. Oh, AVG Oracle, nice try. But might it's not enough. Let's see. Tesla. Tesla still looks interesting over 480-ish. Cannot see anything else which I would like actually. BMNR lower. AVGO, nice try. Oracle, nice try, but maybe they are going to fail here. Not good. Now let's see, market. Let's see. What can you do here? Ah, this coin is looking helpless. Unfortunately, let's see this Bitcoin, what it is doing now. Bitcoin. It's just pulled back to the VWAP 88K, trying to reverse. Not a big success actually. So traders, yeah, I'm going to go back to this TQQQ under 51. Things doesn't look very good. The market hanging on a thread again. DJT is trying to come back over this 14 level now, but market looks really ugly. All right, traders, I think I'm going to be out soon on the coin. It just cannot make the reversal. We would really need a big push from the Bitcoin higher, the market as well, and it's just struggling a lot. As I see both the SPY and the triple Q. Very slow day again. Apple checking. Apple, yeah, does not look bad over 70 for me, Nitsan. 269.70. Oh, nice. Okay, we are moving. Come on, coin. Come on, coin. Only coin is in traders at the moment. Of course, still TQQQ because anything can just happen in 1 second. Coin though now, we really need to break this 250. If it's not going to break it, I'm just going to close it and leave it alone. I don't like it anymore, Nitsan. Or Buzak, sorry. Look at MU level 2. Yeah, I see. MU is struggling a lot on this 247 area. I don't know what we can expect from the MU. Maybe under the lows, more downside. Level 2. My opinion. But let's see. I am focusing now on the coin and the market comeback. It's quite nice, but it still doesn't mean anything. We really need to break the highs at this time. Amazon VWAP reversal, that was nice, actually. So also on the coin, I want to see a very quick, very efficient, very nice breakout over 250 now. Nice call on Apple, Nitsan. It's just going now. AVG Oracle are pulling back a bit as well. And here comes again NVDA. I don't know if you want to try it again, just for a quick scalp, I would say. I do not trust this market. However, this comeback, it's quite interesting because we have not seen such a comeback for a while. So that's quite of a good news. TQQQ, nice comeback too. Apple, beautiful. Oh, come on, coin. Starting to be fed up with this coin now, guys. Just touching the VWAP for the 4th time. Come on. BMNR trying to reverse too. I think over the VWAP, this can be a good one as well, but we really, really need to push now. Oh, nice comeback, SPY. 678 again. Here comes the NVDA 174 if you would like to take it too. $610 coming soon on the triple Q. Beautiful on Apple. That's a comeback. MU reversing now. Yeah, looks like it is. Just my coin doesn't want to move. Santa finally arrived, do you think? I'm still not convinced. So, come on, Santa, show yourself. Oh, finally, 250. Come on, coin. 250.30. Okay, Nitsan. I wish we will break it. We really need to break it. And look at that, it's just pulling back again. I hate this stock. I think it's going to work now. It should. Like we were waiting a lot for that. Should go like 252 around for a partial now. Here comes the 30. It's broke. That's good. But we really need to continue now. Market does continue. So nice strength on the market. But this coin, it really needs to squeeze now. I do not want to see it back under 250. Like under 249, I'm definitely going to close it. Like I'm not going to wait for this forever. Very nice push on the market. Coin is still not the real one, but it's trying hard, but hard is not enough. It needs to try harder. Now we need to break 250, 40, 50s first. No, finally, go, go, go. SPY triple Q still continues, that's good. Okay, traders. Now, if the coin is going to move back under 249.70, I'm out. So I'm not going to give any more chance. If you took the NVDA, actually I took because I forgot to again to cancel my. Oh no, I did not take it. Sorry, I took coin. No, not coin. DJT. No, DJT is in for me over this 14. It was Zuki's call. Who called DJT for the second round? MSTR checking. So I'm in DJT and I'm ready to take a partial and MSTR checking. MSTR looks very good. Uzak, MSTR looks really good and coin is moving now. DJT, Yazuki, you did call it 14. I'm just taking a partial. Thank you for the call. That was perfect actually. And moving my stop loss just to the entry. Humble Ninja, actually it is like 20 cents I was expecting from that because the stop loss it was like 15 cents or 50 cents, but I wanted a scalp on that as well. Only scalps. I do not trust this market. So if you are in 1420 around coin, still not the real deal. I really want to see at least $1 now, 251. But if it's breaking under 249.70, I'm going to be out. Okay. And if you took NVDA, I did not take NVDA. Here is the partial, $1, beautiful partial. And the market finally, we have seen a new daily high. 680 can be the next problematic level there. And definitely I'm not going, sorry, not going to take TQQQ, at least the short. Sorry, guys. All right, so here is the partial on DJT, beautiful. And stop loss is going to be just under 14 now, like 1380. Or rather 90. It's okay because if it's going to break it through, that's not good. And you know what? I'm just going to leave alone coin. I don't like it. Highly likely might is going to move again, but I just don't like it. Very small loser on coin because of it was a half share size. DJT, it's again a very nice winner. So let's just go DJT. My stop loss under 14 now, and It's just the time to call it as a day. Guys, that was a crazy one again, but at least we won it. Let's see how is your day. Oh my God, Tesla, that was good on 480 as well. I cannot take every trade which I'm calling actually, but I hope you took because 480 was the entry. And here is the partial coming. Actually, it was around 482.50. Nice move on the Tesla as well. So traders, let me ask you, how is your day going today? Just in a poll. Not an easy day at all, in my opinion. I'm going to get a green, a red, a break even, and nah, just leave me alone. So let's see. Oh, and NVIDIA, nice. Looks like it's going a bit higher. DJT, beautiful. 14, 60, 70 would be the next partial, but again, I'm not sure it can push that high. Let's see. NVIDIA is still going. If you took it over 174, 174.75, it's the stop loss and let it run. And I must tell you guys, Oracle and AVGO are making quite of a nice tries as well for a reversal here. Maybe 329 on AVGO can be an interesting entry, but it's much riskier because it was really, really weak in the recent days. So just be careful. Do you thought, oh, that's not good. That's not good. Let me know if I can help you anything. Charlie Deep Red, ouch. Which one? Which one gets you the best? Which stock? It was not easy, that's for sure. Nitsa, your Apple call, that was like the trade of the day. Beautiful call. Ascending triangle, fantastic. Reversal from the 50 EMA on the daily. Very nice call. Here comes coin traders if you still have patience for that trade. I think it's going to work out sooner or later. You just need to wait. Okay, so still 70% into the green side, 20 red, 10 leave me alone for today, which I can completely understand because that was not an easy day and still not an easy day. And I'm wondering whether the market is able to push higher indeed. This is an anonymous vote, guys, so please feel free to vote. I'm very much interested in how you are doing in trading. Yes, Mr. Brackage, I was impatient with that trade. You know, guys, most of the times I'm so patient with the trades, and even it was just a half share size and one ugly green candle. I just told you know what, I'm not going to take it further, and that was a big mistake actually. But yeah, very nice because at the end it just made a nice partial there. AMD, shoo. AMD looked like a very nice intraday breakout, especially over 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm just checking it, yeah, this 205, 60, 70, and it completely failed. Yeah, that was ugly. AMD, that was ugly. Did you level 2? Okay. Green is what matters. Green is what matters, that's for sure. Yeah, it was not the easiest days, guys. Nowadays, we won't have an easy way to go with the day trading. It's mainly because of the rotation. Second, lots of uncertainty going on, everyone is waiting for Santa. Maybe Nitsan is right, and finally he arrived to the market, but it's still a lot to prove here because if we just check the SPY, all right, today is definitely a nice green day, and it can be easily a 50 EMA reversal, but again, it needs to break 680, which is the 20 EMA now, and definitely 681, and we should see another green candle and definitely another big green candle to see a new all-time high, because only in that case we can call it as a Santa rally. So it's still a lot to prove. So far so good. Indeed, I'm just getting my second partial soon on the DJT and moving my stop loss to completely to the entry. So let's see. We still have Friday as a full trading day, Monday and Tuesday, and that's it. Because Wednesday also there will be trading, but a short day, as you know. I'm not going to be on Thursday or a Wednesday. Next Wednesday, market is open till 1 p.m., but the trading room is not going to be open. I need to do the. We have usually or the tradition I mean in our family is that we have a huge family dinner on Christmas Eve, which is the 24th, and 25th and 26th we are eating the leftovers. Most of the times I'm going to do at least like 5 or 6 type of main meal, so I think we have enough. And 25th, 26th is just be together, be happy, be around your loved ones, playing a lot with the children. So it's going to be fun. So next week, traders, it's no room on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Thursday, the whole market is off. So the 25th, Christmas Day, the market is going to be closed. But 24th and 26th, it's open. So I'm not expecting too much from the market, but maybe Santa is going to rally it, who knows? So we still have 3 full trading days until this break, Christmas break. So I'm very much interested what's going to happen. That's why I'm going to be back to you tomorrow at 9 a.m. as always. MSTR, yeah, that was a beautiful call as well on MSTR. And slowly, oh my God, this coin is really a patience trade now. Slowly, the coin is getting there as well. I'm just taking my second partial. Market is beautiful at the moment. Second partial on the DJT, and I'm just going to move my stop loss to the entry, and that's it, traders. I see 77 of yours just ended in green, 15 in red, 8%. Like, just leave me alone with this day, which again, it's completely okay. It was not easy. Hopefully tomorrow is going to be easier. Even if not, I'm going to be here for you, with you, and trading with you. Traders, I wish you a beautiful green day at the end. And again, don't forget that we have the big TEFS sales, a big Xmas sale, Christmas sale. Just check out our website and you will see so many things going on. So guys, thank you very much. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye.